How to get a DocuSign free trial. DocuSign offers a 30-day free trial for new users, allowing access to its e-signature platform for document signing and workflow automation. Here's how to activate your free trial. Step 1. Visit the DocuSign free trial page. Go to www.docusign.com. Click on Start Free Trial on the homepage. Step 2. Sign up for an account. Enter your name, email address, password. Click Create Account to proceed. Step 3. Choose a plan for the trial. Select a DocuSign plan that fits your needs. Personal for individual users. Standard, business level features. Business Pro, advanced workflow automation. The free trial applies to all plans. Step 4. Start using DocuSign. Once logged in, you can upload and send documents for e-signature, track the signing process, automate document workflows. Step 5. Cancel before the trial ends if needed. Log into your DocuSign account. Navigate to Account Settings Billing. Click Cancel Subscription to avoid charges after the 30-day trial. By following these steps, you can explore DocuSign's e-signature services for free and decide if it meets your document signing needs.